Oh, hello everybody. By now you should have guessed where I am and why I'm here. It's sticker board time. We do have some more stickers to go on there. Oh, somebody's already decided to remove one. Don't know why. First of all, NooBiker sticker that was missing. So, lip gloss, helmets and him, you've been removed for some reason. Somebody took objection to your sticker. There. Here I am. Let's see who else. This was actually in my bag last time and I just completely overlooked. Tom's TC. Tom's tube channel. So Tom's TC, you are on the sticker board. Very good. Please use your stickers responsibly. A fantastic fellow who's also been a great supporter of the channel, Mr. Rev Monkey. Thank you, sir. Always a pleasure to meet you at the Super Sausage. Oh, oh, come on. Yes. Let's not put any rubbish. And I did find the Hippodrones stickers. They're smaller than I remember. Anyway, Pete, I put the nice sparkly sticker on one of my panniers. So now you can go here with that tiny little sticker. Western Super Motovlog. How did I miss? It was in a different bag. Different bag. I didn't see it, but I knew I had some. I found them, and there you go. Next to John Diehard. Just hope nobody takes objection to these ones. Don't see why they should, but you never know how people feel. It's not offending anybody. Rev Monkey, haven't seen you in a while. Need to turn up at the Super Sausage and see some of my friends again. So Rev Monkey, there you go. You're now on the board. Any more? For any more? Yep, I thought there was. Yes. Walt in PA. I've had this sticker for the longest time. It was still together with his lovely letter from a few years ago. And now you're going to watch me struggle. Oh no. See? This one came out quite nicely. Alright, Walt in PA. Need to get in touch. I've got some more of your stickers. I think I'm going to put the shiny one on my pannier. So here you are. The sticker board is growing and getting more and more full. Let's make sure I'm not a fool and forget any more. I've got some NooBiker stickers if anybody wants. If you want to exchange. If you want yours to go up here, get in touch through my social media channels. I'll put the details in here. Reach out and send me some. And don't go here. Heath, I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened. Somebody clearly didn't like your particular sticker and scratched it out. How dare they? Send me another one or I'll get one from you next time that we meet. Okay, so for now, from the sticker board in Toot Hill, this is NooBout.